I was able to get 3,900 watch hours within a space of just 3 days. All I did was to copy other people's content, and the copying comes in two ways. Okay, the first one, we are going to copy other people's content using our YouTube Studio. There's a feature that we are going to use. Okay, the second method is also about copying. However, for that one, it is not in our YouTube Studio. Okay, and that is what actually yielded this particular watch hours for me you are seeing here. Okay, but let's look at the first one, which is very important. That is the basics of everything. Okay, in order to do it, the first thing you need to do is to come to your YouTube Studio. As you can see right now, I'm in my YouTube Studio, and then in your YouTube Studio you will come to this section here that says analytics, right? So we click on analytics, right? Once you click on analytics, you come to this section here that says audience. This one, right? So click on audience. Once you click on audience, you then scroll down, scroll a little bit down here. You are going to see channel your audience watches. You understand? If you scroll another one again, you are going to see what your audience watch is. Guys, so this is what I mean by copying on YouTube, copying other people's content. This feature on the YouTube Studio is going to guide us to do it. Okay, now let me show you step by step how it is done. So channel your audience watches means is that, you see, the current people on your channel who are watching your videos, they are also watching these YouTubers you are seeing here, right? Let me click again. You're going to see there are lots of YouTubers here. So my current viewers are watching all these YouTubers here. You understand? And YouTube is telling me that, hey Prince, if you're a smart YouTuber, what do you have to do? If your audience are watching these guys here, then you need to also start creating the kind of content these guys here are also creating. And that is how you are going to get your 4,000 watch hours. You see, in order to get 4,000 watch hours, right? Remember that you need views. You understand? It is views that will bring you the 4,000 watch hours. You can never get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube without getting views. Okay, so all these YouTubers you are seeing here are getting a lot of views on their channel, and your audience are watching them. So why don't you create the kind of videos those YouTubers are creating by just copying them? And I'll show you how to copy. Copying does not mean downloading someone's video. No, you can copy them by going to the next one, which is this, what your audience watches. So YouTube has automatically given you the kind of videos that are performing very well on your audience channel so that you can copy. So as you can see right here, this video is by Creator Rant, and he said YouTube crossed this line, you understand, and the video is having 78k views. And then this video too by this guy here, 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours. This new strategy, it means that if I make a video about this particular topic, I am also going to get views. YouTube is telling me to just copy. You understand? How to copy soon. This video to by Steve Song, I got demonetized. This is the end. YouTube is telling me that this video is going viral, so I should copy so that I can also get views and get my 4,000 watch hours. Now we know what is going viral, and YouTube is telling us to copy. You understand? So all you have to do is that you need to click on one of these, the one you are interested in. Okay, you look at the video you are interested in. Okay, so if I am to look for a video I'm interested in right now, let me see. I will go for this particular video. So all you have to do is to, I'm gonna click on this one, 11k views. All right, so in order to copy, you see, you will first of all have to watch the whole video. You will understand, and then get a fair idea of what she's talking about, right? So I watch the whole video, have a fair idea. Even if I have a fair idea of what she's talking about, then then after creating the video, I'll just copy the same title. You understand? And then use it for my video. And for the thumbnail too, I can use a similar thumbnail. So you can see her thumbnail right here. You see the thumbnail is very nice and catchy. So I will just, recreate the same thumbnail. Don't use her thumbnail. just recreate it. You can create a thumbnail that is very similar to what she has done, and that is it. Very, very simple. So try this multiple times. I can't even count, and it has worked for me. Let me say, if I try 10 times, 7 out of the 10 always work for me. So once you do this, trust me, you should get your 4,000 watch hours very easy. Now let's talk about the next method. So the next method is also the same as copying. Okay, so the next method to, you also copy other people's content, use the same title, the similar thumbnail, and you're going to get your 4,000 watch hours. However, for the for that method, I don't share it on YouTube because of the fear of people abusing it. You understand? It is not on YouTube. No one has ever released it on YouTube. I'm the only one who knows it. And once it comes out, it won't work anymore. You understand? So if you check my screen right now, the person who got the 4,000 watch hours here, 3,900 watch hours here, I was able to achieve this within just 3 days. You understand? Yeah. I also tried it on this particular channel. You can see this is just one single video. And then let's see the number of watch hours. 1,200 watch hours with just one single video. And then let's see this one also. 1,500 watch hours within just few days. You can see within just few days, 1,500 watch hours within just few days. I also tried it again here. So this one, you see 1,400 watch hours within just few days. So for this one, you are going to get your 4,000 watch hours within 7 days to 21 days. Some even get it within 3 days, a few hours, and so on. In fact, some have been able to get it within 32 hours. Those I did it for them were able to get within 32 hours, and so on. Okay. But the unfortunate thing is that I can't share it on YouTube because once I share it, it will be abused and it won't work anymore. So what I do is that if you want me to do it for you, I will do it for you, right? And it is not free. Okay. If you want me to do it for you, you check the link in the description, you make payment, and then I do it for you. You understand? Okay. And if you want me to show you so that you also do it yourself. And after showing you, you don't bring it to YouTube because once you bring it to YouTube, it won't work again. I am telling you the truth. You understand? So if you want me to show you, I've already designed a step-by-step course, a step-by-step tutorial for it. You understand? All you have to do is to just watch it step by step. You understand? And you are going to get your 4,000 watch hours within 7 to 21 days. It is faster than the first method I taught you. You understand? For this one, it is guaranteed, 100% guaranteed that you're going to get a 4,000 watch hours within 7 days to 21 days. So if you're interested in that one too, you check the link in the description, you click it, you make payment, and you get access to the course automatically without even contact. You get it automatically. You understand? Yeah. And if you want the and if you want me to do it for you too, you click on the link in the description, you make payment, and then it brings you into my DM. You understand? So that we can get started with it. All right. So guys, these are two ways to get a 4,000 watch hours. Both works perfectly. Okay. Thanks for watching. And then if you have not watched this video right here, I want you to watch, and it's really going to help you. See you in my next video. Goodbye.